Hi, we are Team EcoBills from India. I am Amit, founder and CEO of EcoBills, a PhD in computer science from University of York, UK, with 10 years of experience in Internet of Things technology, which includes embedded systems, cloud computing, and mobile apps. Previously, I have successfully started and managed 3 different startup ventures in India.
Hi, I am Nitesh, founder and chief marketing officer of EcoBills. I have 4 years of immense experience in scaling up early stage startup to fast growth companies. My area of expertise is business strategy, technical marketing and sales. I also have passion for product design.
So what is EcoBills all about? In today's digital economy, our vision is to create a new ecosystem for offline retail space where the retailer can push electronic receipts or bills onto shoppers' smartphone. With this, we can save a lot of cost on printing paper bills, obtain actionable data on shoppers' buying pattern, and effectively run targeted marketing campaigns. The shoppers, on the other hand, will be able to manage bills from multiple retailers on one single app. Discounts and coupons can be easily accessed from one single location. EcoBills is extremely easiest to get started. It has been developed such that there is absolutely no change required in the existing POS systems. Thank you.